Welcome to this video. I know it's been a lot of time since I uploaded my previous video. I think it was in 2024. And since then, I've been working on different projects, but also on a new version of my bot expert advisor for MetaTrader 5. This new bot is way better, more stable than the previous one. Actually, I've been receiving a lot of emails from all of you guys telling me things that I should tweak, and I've been doing it. So that's why I wanted to make this video, just to tell you that new version is finished. I'm not going to say finish 100% because I still want to tweak more things, but right now it's very stable. I like it very much, and that's why I wanted to make this video to show you how it's working, just to show you how it's interacting with the market right now. Because the thing about the robots is that you have to be tweaking it and setting different setups for the market, because the conditions may change in a few months. That's why we have to always be tweaking and adapting the bot to the markets that we have nowadays. So I want to show you a little bit how is this is going to be just a back test. This is only on the EURUSD right now. A lot of you are asking me for a gold version and also for a Bitcoin version. Just to clarify, this bot can work on any kind of asset, but I don't have a good setup for the Bitcoin and gold. Once I have it, I will send it to you. But right now, the only setup that I know I can trust and is good to go is on the EuroUSD. Still, as I say, it's good to always be tweaking the bot, maybe every 10-15 days, tweaking and adapting the bot to the markets that are on that moment, because the volatility may change in a few days. It's not the same Christmas season as summer, or nowadays that we have during these days is just normal market conditions. So that's why we have to adapt the bot always to markets. And sometimes there are big news, important news, like a war or something going on. Imagine that you have the robot working on oil, and this news happen, what happened in Venezuela with Maduro. So that may affect your bot a lot. So that's why we have to be tweaking it constantly. And right now, it's good to use it on EURUSD, but as I said, still maybe we have to tweak it a little bit more in the next days. After all that said, let me show you a little bit how it's working. Let me see. I'm going to make myself a little bit smaller so you can see my screen better. See, may put myself somewhere here so you can see the whole screen a little bit smaller. And yeah, let's make it to run a back test. I'm going to make it to work on 10,000 euros account. It's a back test, so it's like working on demo, but the same results should be on live account. So I recommend you to use an account as big as possible, because the drawdown can affect to smaller accounts more than a big account. A big account can hold a position for a longer time, and if still it's not the same at drawdown of 500 euros to an account that is 3,000 euros account, than this same drawdown of 500 euros for a 500 euros account. Then you will receive a margin call and the broker will close all your trades. So as bigger the account is, the safer will be to use the bot. I'm not recommending any amount that you should have the robot working with, because that is up to you. It is up to you to use the robot. It is up to you. Also, if you don't have the robot, just send me an email, okay? My email is down in the video description. Let's run the back test. This is only EuroUSD, running since October of 2025. As I said, once I have a good setup for gold and Bitcoin and other assets, I will communicate to all of you. Let's click on start. And this new version is way more stable. A lot of you have told me that the previous version stopped working, or the drawdown was huge and things like that. I have changed pretty much all the code. Even the strategy itself is there are big difference. So I don't recommend you to use the previous version anymore. This one is more stable, and also I have deleted some stuff, some part of the code is I just got rid of it from the previous version, and still had a lot of things, and the way the bot will manage the trades and how it will close the positions, whether are in profit or not, are going to be also managed differently. So as you can see here, we're still on October, and we have 1,000, almost $2,000 of profit. And just just to see to show you a little bit how the robot manages positions and how it closes the position. As you can see, it's buying and selling at the same time. I would say that they kind of work similar, but they are not the same. As I said, this one is going to interact to the markets. When the market is going against us, it's very important that we manage properly those trades, because it's very easy to maintain a position that is on profit, but it's hard to manage a position that is going against us. We can lose a lot of money if we don't manage our trades properly, and that is what this bot is doing very well. It's buying and selling at the same time, but knows very well when to maintain a trade and when to close it. So right now, as you can see, we have a drawdown of 900 euros, 1,000, sorry, dollars. And that's how it works. That's why I'm telling to all of you guys that we should have a big account. If you are going to have a small account, it's better not to use the robot, or at least you have to tweak the bot, the multiplier, so or you can reduce it, or you can also reduce the amount of trades that not the amount of trades, like the volume that the bot is going to start with. If you took those, then you can use the bot with a much smaller account. As you can see right now, it's on almost 50,000 euros. So 5,000. Sorry, I always say euros. $5,000 of profit is a 50% increase in the account in just 1 month. Doesn't mean that always is going to be like that, not always, but that's what happened in between August and November. As you can see right now, we're having a huge drawdown. You know why that happened? Well, we just closed it and we made profit, but you may not have an account big enough to be able to support that drawdown. So it is very important that you tweak constantly the bot, because right now it's just running without any human supervising the bot. It's just running constantly. But if imagine that we close sometimes some profits or some drawdown, we can even set the maximum drawdown that we want to accept while it is running. There are many ways that we can help the bot to work a little bit better. I don't recommend you just to leave it running for months, because that may blow your account. But if you tweak, if you adapt the bot to the markets, to the trends, to the volatility that we have in that moment, if you manage a little bit your positions manually, I think the profits can be much bigger than these ones, and the drawdowns can be a lot lower. As I said, right now the drawdown is set to 100, which is the default, but you can decrease that amount to 20%, 10%, 30%, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. And still, I would recommend you to always be checking the bot manually, constantly, daily, please. So yeah, as I said, If you don't have the bot, just send me an email. It's on the video description. So I will be happy to talk to you. I hope that we can eventually get to a bot that is almost perfect. So it is very important for me to have your feedback from the bot. You can give me your feedback on the comments or also on email. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this bot can help a lot of people. I hope it can help you. My face was a little bit on the orders, but I think you have seen pretty much everything that it was important. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Please contact me, send me an email. I will be very happy to help you, to send you the bot, and also to have your feedback. So anything that you had to say about the bot, anything that any way that you think we can improve it, just let me know. So thank you so much for watching.